NestEgg Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before using. NestEgg Retirement Planner is an educational platform designed to guide individuals through various stages of financial planning for treatment or retirement. It offers a structured curriculum aimed to enhance a financial literacy and preparedness. So to get started, NestEgg U is an interactive educational program that assists users in managing and planning their financial future and retirement saving. The platform provides a curriculum tailored to different stages of the retirement journey, including a sender, a saver, investors, and a planner. So this platform also includes tools like My Basket and Calculate My Future to help users measure their progress and plan effectively. And here's the advantages of you using this platform. It comes with a structured learning and a interactive tools with a personalized guidance. And here's the downside about this platform, which is the disadvantages of this platform, which is the limited financial model and a less comprehensive investment. So here's a very conclusion about this platform. It is a valuable resource for individuals seeking to enhance their financial literacy and prepare for retirement through a structured education. While it may not be replace comprehensive financial planning tools, its educational approach makes it a beneficial starting point for those new to retirement planning. Thanks.